Benefits and drawbacks of making money online. This has actually paved the way for the establishment of many methods of making money online. Making money online has actually never been more easier and available for everyone. Earning money online has led to various benefits for both the organizations and the client owner. More convenience. Online services also allow you to work from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. Online services also do not restrict you to a particular job and allows you to mess around in numerous ventures. Large market. Online companies are also available to reach on a broader range of consumers, both in the regional and global markets. By working online, your service can be accessible to any number of people at any time. Increasingly, more individuals are getting enticed by the possibility of browsing online to fulfill their needs, since they spend less effort and time sitting in front of the computer system at home and having their needs delivered to their doorstep than the alternative. Decreased costs, increased profits. Operating an online business is normally less expensive than keeping a conventional service. Online marketing is also cheaper than utilizing other mediums and can reach a substantially higher number of individuals much faster. Naturally, in addition to these benefits, there are also disadvantages to generate income online. Hard competition. Online services are so easy to begin, allowing anybody to set up an organization anytime. This increases competition in the online world. The online businesses industry is extremely vibrant, hence requiring you to consistently come up with originalities to make your online organization stand apart. Privacy and security issues. Online businesses generally need clients to send out a personal info, such as the client's address and credit card number online. This needs file encryption and safe connections. Without these precautionary steps, scams and thefts may happen, which might lead to suits submitted versus your company. Lack of trust. The lack of human interaction in online organizations is often harmful. If you plan to set up a brand new online company, you might have a challenging time making money initially and getting the attention and trust of people who have never heard of you before. Likewise, any type of unfavorable feedback just as quickly disrupts the internet and might lead to huge losses for your businesses. To build an effective online service, you must have an effective business strategy and management system. Thoroughly select your services and items. Always keep in mind what your customers would desire or need. Find something unique about your company and market it. You should also recognize with your market, customer services ought to be one of your top concerns. Collecting consumers' feedback and use it to improve your company products or services. Do these things, develop trust and commitment in your consumers, permitting you to keep their company and continue earning money online. Operating an online business is normally cheaper than preserving a standard business. Online organizations are so easy to begin, permitting anybody to set up an organization anytime. The online company industry is extremely dynamic, hence needing you to continually come up with new ideas to make your online company stand out. To construct an effective online organization, you need to have a reliable business strategy and a management system. Doing these things develops trust and loyalty in your consumers, allowing you to keep their businesses and continue making money online. I hope some of this has given you an insight to online businesses. If you want a lot more, below my video link is YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. I have over 280 videos on YouTube all about making money online and starting online businesses. These will certainly help you if you want to find out more. So that's YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. Put it in the browser, scroll down the page. They won't come up straight away. They're further down the page. You'll start seeing all the videos I have put up. Now also I would like you to click on the like button, because that helps me with YouTube. The like button is sort of a thumb up. Just click on that, press the like, and subscribe if you wish. It all helps me. Also, there's a bell at the top of the page. Click on that bell. Underneath the video there are links to tools that I use for doing these videos, the microphones, the recorder, and all the stuff you need. Also, you have to edit all videos. You also need tools for the scripts that you do, as I don't know everything in my head, so I have to copy and paste. You can't get done for infringement of anybody's copyright, so there's a program under there which is called SpinWriter, which I use a lot. Good program. So I've got things like that under my video. Every link you find is an affiliated link. If you join a program or purchase an item, I get paid a small commission. This is the way we work on the internet, and I'm sure you'll be doing the same when you get going, if you haven't already. So thank you for being here. Let me say to you, please do a research before you start anything. Whatever you're going to join or purchase or use, put it into Google. Find out all about the company. Find out what sort of commissions they pay. Find out what advertising they can give you to use. Find out if they do banners, how often you get paid, how long they've been going, and how many others enjoy the company and their services. You'll find out all that on Google. I use YouTube as well, because YouTube do pictures. Not that I don't understand writing, but pictures are a lot better when you're trying to learn something if it's shown correctly. Now I try and put up what I can when I'm doing videos, but I don't do instructions. But I have captions up there with different addresses on. Anybody can use if they want to all my videos. So it's a matter of choice from people. So thank you for being here, but don't forget, research. Now I will hope you press that like button, as I said. Also subscribe, and I hope you come back after you press the bell and all, as they'll let you know when another video's up. So this is Ian Jackson wishing you all the best. Hope you do come back. So all the best in your online venture, and cheerio.